next step we have to find out its integral form. Integral form is, first we have to write that series in summation form. Summation form means limit n tends to infinity. This is 1 by n summation r going from 1 to n, function of r by n, function of r by n. Now convert into our definite integral. Definite integral is given by 0 to 1. 1 by n gives dx, this and this gives our integral. This is dx and function is 1 upon under root of x dx. So our function is root x. 1 by root x, just integrate it, apply the limit, you will get the answer. Solution is equal to 2. When you apply the limit, you will get required solution. So these types of series are very easy to solve this. One more example I just give you. If you have any power on the series, if you have this type of question, evaluate limit n tends to infinity 1 upon 1 plus n square into 1 2 by n 2 square n square into, these terms are in multiplication, 1 upon n square by n square to the power 1 to the power 1 by n. See, this is one different type of series. All terms are multiplied and they are one power, whole power in given series. In this case, we have to find out all terms in addition. First term plus second term plus third term, then we will get the summation. Summation means addition. So we have to convert into addition form, and this power also we have to remove. So what we have to do in this case, step 1, you have to take the logarithm. First you have to take the log, and at the end when your solution is coming, just take antilog. So if you consider this series equal to x, then if take log of x, then log of x is convert into our series in logarithm and tends to infinity. This 1 by n log of 1 plus 1 by n square. Multiplication means every term we have to add up, plus log of 1 plus 2 square by n square plus and so on, log of 1 plus n square by n square, this. So now our series convert into addition form. Just now you have to take out general term TR or RR term. General term is what? 1 by n log 1 plus r square by n square. See, this is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, n square. So general term is 1 by n log of r square by n. Now in this form, you see already convert. This is 1 by n gives dx, r by n gives x, our function. Just find out the upper and lower limit, make the integral and solve it. At the end, don't forget, take again antilog of this, then we will get the required solution. So that's all about the summation of series by definite integral. Thank you very much.